Okay, this is tonight's homework right here. Review net rational and irrational number. Ignore this, we're not doing that. I'm going to go at the very bottom here, do this last page. That should help you understand all of this stuff. I need students to go over this and understand these again if we didn't do it up here at the beginning in class. Do these because I still see a lot of kids struggling, and we do it over every day in class. So you always do additive inverse first. Distribute, you get 12x. Distribute, you get plus a negative 6. 4 plus, and then we get a negative 2 here, plus 12x equals to 4x plus a negative 2. So there you get minus 4x, because the variables on both sides. Get rid of the variable first. You get 8x there. You bring down this negative 2 plus 8x. This is 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Add 2 here to get rid of this to make 0. Therefore add 2 here. And that's 8x equals to 0. This gets you 0. Divide by 8, divide by 8. X equals a 0, 1 solution. Okay, there we go. And in 34 here, we get this side you can't do anything, you leave it alone. This we do additive, well, you can do additive inverse. Distribute 4d, distribute plus a negative 12, distribute, nope, you can't do that. It's not inside parentheses. You stop there. You get negative 10 there, 4d plus a negative 10. That's 4d plus a negative 10 also. Make zeros to the variable. That's 0 plus negative 10 is negative 10. That's infinite solution. And the last one here, additive inverse. These two are alike. You do 9 plus a negative 12, you get negative 3h plus a negative 7. 6, you need to make one of these equal to 0. It's more on that side. You add 7, you get 13 equals negative 3h, divide by negative 3. And then you can leave it as a fraction of negative 13 over 3, or I think 4.3 repeating negative if you use a calculator. Now, rational, irrational number, classify this. This is not a perfect square, so it's irrational. Not a perfect square. In this case, this is equals to 8, so it is a perfect square, so it's called rational. And it can be made into a fraction. 8 can be made into a fraction of 8 over 1. This one, anything with pi, it's irrational. Irrational because of, this is just a normal negative number. It can be written as a fraction, so therefore it's a rational number. Negative 24 over 1 is a fraction. This can be made as a fraction. This is in 10th place, so 6 over 10, which can be made into a fraction. This is rational. So all numbers are rational except these type of number, that's irrational, and anything with pi. So rational, because it's a decimal. Okay, and this is irrational, not a perfect square. This is rational because it is a perfect square. Okay. And then this is just a fraction. It is rational. Any fraction, all fractions are rational. That's a definition of rational. Okay, and that'll be it. And that should help you answer all the other ones.